Alright, came to assemble some stuff for a friend and noticed his garage door was busted. He said somebody was coming to fix it, but I told him I can fix that in like a few seconds. Let me show you a little trick on popping these rollers back in. You get your hammer and you take your little curl right there and you just carefully bend out just a little bit like that. You bring your roller down to that spot. Let's pop right back in. Boom. If you have to hit it with a hammer, you can. Pop it in, and then just beat that little. It's functioning. Yeah. At least that's good. Nothing to it but to do it.